Hey friends, this is Atif. Hope you're well and welcome to the new update on Filecoin. On a daily time frame chart for the past several days, Filecoin was moving inside this quite long down channel, and now recently you can see that once again Filecoin has broken out the resistance and still it is moving above this resistance. Before that we had a fake out here, but this time after this rejection when the price was re-entered the channel and it was forming this low here, you can see that it formed a higher low than previous low. Then I was showing you that there was a hidden bullish divergence flag. Therefore, I was telling you that now there is a very high probability that due to this hidden bullish divergence signal, the price and may move up again, and it may try to break out the resistance of this channel once again. And if we take a look at the stochastic, then you can see that stochastic was forming slightly lower than previous. So if I place a trend line here, then you can see that it was forming slightly lower than previous low. At the same time, the price end was forming a quite obvious higher low than previous low. And the price end has followed this hidden bullish divergence signal, and now it has broken out the resistance of this channel and still moving above this resistance. And in today's video, we will analyze this move. And I would also like to show you this very massive breakout that has already happened on the 7-day time frame chart from this big and long-term falling wedge pattern as well. But before starting this analysis, if you are not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe it. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you, and you can find the link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. And if you would like to see how my trading signals work, then I've also shared the link for the trading signal report in the video's description. You just need to open that report. And if you would like to check or verify any trading signal like this, the trade setup for IrisNet. By the way, this is the trade signal report for the current month of September 2024. And when you will click on the link for the trade setup, it will take you to the trading views chart. And on this chart, you can see when I shared this signal, like this trade setup I shared on 7 days ago. And you can also watch the complete trade signal as well, like this was the buying zone and sell targets on and stop loss. And in order to see how the price line moved after sharing this signal, you need to click this button. And after that, it will show you how the price line moved up from the buying zone and be the sell target zone. Now let me to take you to the live chart of Filecoin, and first of all let me to show you the daily time frame chart. And here you can see that for the past several days Filecoin is it was moving inside this quite long down channel, and here we had a fake out. After that the price again dropped down, but when it was dropped down here, it was forming higher low, but at the same time stochastic was forming slightly lower than previous low. Therefore I was telling you that now there is a hidden bullish divergence flag. Therefore the price line can follow this divergence signal, and it can make another attempt to break out the resistance of the channel. And now you can see that finally we have broken out the resistance of the channel. And after breaking out this resistance of the channel, we will need to now break out this long-term resistance zone that starts from $4.60 and goes to $5. If you take a look at the 7 days time frame chart, then you can see that this resistance zone that starts from $4.60 and goes to $5 has been previously working as a resistance zone here, support here, resistance here, support here. And for several weeks a month, it has been working as a support here as well. Therefore, again, it can work as a strong support. However, the target for the breakout from this channel is here at the top of the channel at $11.40. That had been previously working as a resistance here and resistance here. And again, it can be another very strong and powerful resistance for the price line of Filecoin. On the 7 days time frame chart, you can see that we have already broken out this big and long-term falling wedge pattern, but still the price did not hit the target for the breakout from this wedge. And that long-term target is here at the top of the wedge, somewhere between $250 to $300. So this was the update so far. I hope that you have liked the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find a link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.